Hello and welcome back. I am super excited for today's episode. It's going to be a short and sweet one, but we have something new and exciting. So we wanted to make a video and talk all about it. So you know that we are huge on rebrands here. We think that every business should have a brand and a website that speaks to them, that shows off their personality, that really highlights what makes them different from everybody else. And at the end of the day, having this brand that feels like you is one of the best ways to attract clients that you actually want to work with, but also feel really good about what you're putting out, what you're sending people, and how you show up in your own business. So because we value this so much and it's such a big part of what we do here at Inkpot Creative, we have decided to run a mid-year makeover sale. So what this is you can get our full rebrand package, which is our most complete package here at Inkpot. That includes a full brand and a full website on either Showit or Squarespace. And you get all of this done in 5 weeks for just $4,700. So this is our biggest kind of sale. It's the lowest our price has been in a long time. And you get every single piece of it. So our brand, you get a primary logo, you get 3 logo variations, you get a color palette, you get a brand pattern, you can get custom illustrations, you get a font suite, all of that put together, feedback on everything. You get a brand that you feel really good about and looks really great and unique to you and your business. And then we'll take all of that great new branding and put it onto a brand new website for you, again, on either Showit or Squarespace. And we'll build out 7 pages for you so you have all of the content that you need from your homepage, about page, services page, any special pricing pages or special service pages, anything like that, your portfolio, blog, contact page, whatever you want, you have full control over what 7 pages we designed for you. All of this is set up, designed, developed. Any domain transfers, any blog transfers, all of that stuff we take care of for you, so you don't have to worry about all of that. All you have to do is leave feedback and we take care of the rest. And at the end of that 5 weeks, not only will you have all of the brand files and a brand new brand that you can feel really good about, but you'll have a website ready to go live and launch and be brought out into the world and start attracting the exact types of people that you want to attract. So again, this offer for our full rebrand edit package at just $4,700 is good for the next 5 people that sign up for it. And we do also have payment plans, so you don't have to pay the full thing up front. We can break this down into 4 monthly payments, so it makes it really easy, just equal payments over the 4 months. You get a brand new website that you can really feel proud of, feel really confident sending to your clients, and something that just looks really great for anyone landing on your content. If you want to learn more about everything that is included, you can go to our website, inkpotcreative.com/the rebrand edit. That will list out everything that's included, all the stuff I talked about, all of the questions that you have. And you can fill out our contact form to get in touch, schedule a discovery call, talk through any questions you have, anything that we can answer, we are here for you. But again, we're super excited about this. We really believe that your business can see a huge change in how you show up, in who you're attracting, and just how you feel about your business overall with a rebrand. So be sure to check that stuff out. I'll put the links in the descriptions below. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us over a DM, drop a comment, let us know. We are super excited about this, and we'll catch you in the next one.